Maniac! What's up, ladies and gents? Well, it's mostly gents, I presume. Welcome back to another video, and today I have for you some more driving extras. So, let's get started. Oh, what a lovely day in Russia we have today. It would be a shame if someone, ruined it. Yeah. Ho. I like how the pedestrians reacted. They're like, nah, I've seen this before. I don't care. Oh, oh! I didn't even know the Lada can go that fast. Damn. The guy in a Merc is like, let me turn left real quick. And the guy in a tram is like, nope, denied. For Soviet Union! Boof. I was trying the other day to find out how many car crashes there are in Russia per day or per month, per year, doesn't matter. And it's hard to say, but per year it's about 10,000 crashes with worst case scenario. I didn't find information about all the crashes in total, but you get the idea. 10,000 with worst case scenario, and you can only imagine how many they are crashes like this, minor ones without people getting hurt. It's mind-blowing. And yeah, the India is like, those are rookie numbers, you gotta pump those numbers up. It's 2, 1, it's a green light, go, 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 go. Oh, that's bad. You can say goodbye to your driving license, Mr. Van Driver. I don't know what's wrong with people sometimes. It's red and they go for it. Like, what do you expect? To get candy or something? To get rewarded? I don't know. It's just ridiculous. Oh, here we are in the land of guns and freedom. Boop! In my country we would say for this, desi poštovska šičena bager. The translation is something like, you're attacking a bulldozer with a spoon. Something like that. Let's move on. What? A nice move. I'll leave it there. This one looks like they're racing. Oh, he lost control. Oh, holy moly. That's the price he pays for being stupid. That's it. Oh, we all know what's gonna happen here. Wait for it. Wait for it. And yeah, there we go. Overtaking. And what? Why he swerved to the right? It was close, but it wasn't that close.
Задел, да, газель. Зеркало сломал. Отвлекся.
Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me. Oops. Excuse me, move it. Oh, I hate this kind of people. They think they're smart. Oof. Look at him. Unbelievable. I love how this guy is making him reverse. What an idiot. Oh. Oof. I don't know about you guys, but I'm struggling to sit in a chair. It's hot like in hell here. The Europe is on fire right now. It's like 35 plus degrees Celsius, of course. Ooh. But we are gonna keep going. 5 minutes left. Initiate Tokyo Drift in 2, 1, BAM! I think many of these crashes happened because of worn out tires. Because you see how easily they lose control. Like this guy here, look. Look. Right into the barriers. It wouldn't happen if he had brand new tires. Or good tires, at least. I'm on a highway to hell. This is not really a highway. Oh, oh. What the hell was that? He was swerving all over the place. Damn. Oh, a nice sunset. Oh. But that wasn't very nice. Ouch. That hurts. A little bit of snow in the middle of a summer. My logic, sorry. Let's see here. And what? Why that guy in a black car went to the left? They all stopped to let him through, so I do not understand his actions. Let's see here. Oh, I think that driver fell asleep or something. It looks like it, so it's possible. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh, I know that guy in a white car didn't pay enough attention, but damn, those road workers should have put some signs or something to warn the drivers that they are there. Many mistakes on that one. Let's see here. This BMW is like, let me pop a 360. Mission success, let's say. Now run.
И ты его взял назад? Попробуй, не возьми, когда с ним не менее психованный маг.
Он бывший там этот самый ходил в плавание, военный моряк. Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой. Все. Нет, мы ничего.
This little truck is like, I'm just gonna stop here for a little bit to rest, you know, it's a great place. Why not? Someone might crash into me, but it's their fault, not mine. And a drift. Oh. You can see very often a big ass truck rolling over multiple times. That's unusual, that's for sure. If you want to crash, turn left in 15 meters. Bam! You have arrived at your crash. Oopsie daisy. And again, Russians and their ability to turn left. Nothing new. What's going on here? Is something gonna explode? Or... oh, he didn't pull out. She didn't pull out that hose out of her tank. And away we go with a hose. Pop! Great job, great job. Amazing. You saw that guy, how he gave her a thumbs up. And on that note, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Ciao. Arrivederci.